Welcome to this comprehensive guide on review of CreditSaint credit tips, where we will break down the key concepts and best practices to help you improve your credit score. CreditSaint is a reputable credit repair company that provides valuable tips and advice on managing your credit effectively. Firstly, it is essential to understand the importance of credit scores and how they are calculated. Your credit score is a three-digit number that represents your creditworthiness, ranging from 300 to 850. The higher your score, the better your chances of getting approved for loans and credit cards at favorable interest rates. According to CreditSaint, one of the most critical factors in determining your credit score is your payment history, which accounts for 35% of your total score. To improve your payment history, make sure to pay your bills on time. Every time, set up payment reminders or automate your payments to avoid late fees and negative marks on your credit report. Another crucial aspect of credit management is credit utilization, which accounts for 30% of your score. CreditSaint recommends keeping your credit utilization ratio below 30%, meaning that you should not use more than 30% of your available credit. For example, if you have a credit limit of $1,000, try to keep your balance below $300. CreditSaint also emphasizes the importance of monitoring your credit report regularly. You can request a free credit report from each of the three major credit bureaus once a year. Review your report carefully to identify any errors or inaccuracies and dispute them promptly. A single error on your credit report can significantly lower your credit score, so it is crucial to stay on top of it. In addition to these tips, CreditSaint advises consumers to avoid applying for too many credit cards or loans in a short period. Each application can result in a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can temporarily lower your score. Only apply for credit when necessary, and space out your applications if you need to apply for multiple lines of credit. Finally, CreditSaint recommends building a long credit history by keeping old accounts open and using them sporadically. This demonstrates to lenders that you can manage credit responsibly over time, which can help improve your credit score. In conclusion, by following these CreditSaint credit tips, you can improve your credit score and enjoy better financial health. Remember to pay your bills on time. Keep your credit utilization ratio low. Monitor your credit report. Avoid excessive credit applications, and build a long credit history. By incorporating these best practices into your daily financial routine, you can achieve a better credit score and unlock more favorable loan and credit card terms.